Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy Parmesan salad with just a few ingredients, and it's low carb, high fat, keto friendly. I actually saw this recipe on a Barefoot Contessa show and it was celery and Parmesan, but my husband's not a big fan of celery, so I thought I'd just make it with spinach instead and just mix and match some of the ingredients. And of course I've written a full blog post with my adaptations, and I'll leave a link to that down below so that you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this yummy, easy recipe. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make. I look forward to reading your comments. So let me show you how to make this easy keto low carb Parmesan salad. You will need some greens. I've gone with spinach. You can use kale, you could use celery like the original recipe, any you like. And the Parmesan I went for is this Parmigiano Reggiano shavings. So instead of getting a full Parmigiano Reggiano block and shaving it myself, I found it already shaved for me. So that is what I'm using. And then I'm kind of going to drizzle over and make a dressing as I go with some extra virgin olive oil, lemon, and salt. Now you could also add nuts. You could use walnuts, almonds, pine nuts, any nuts that you like, but I'm just going to keep it nut free today and just keep it simple with these ingredients, and we'll pop it all together now. I've started by washing and popping that whole little carton of spinach into a bowl for my salad. You could just make an individual portion, just pop a couple of handfuls into a bowl, and then we'll top them with all the rest of our ingredients. Oh, now I've opened the bag of Parmigiano Reggiano. It smells so good. And just pop on really as much as you want. Pop a bit on, mix it through, pop a bit more. Just how much Parmigiano do you want in your salad? Just include that. Just toss it all through so you've got layers of spinach and Parmesan deliciousness. And then for extra flavor, we're going to add a shake of salt. You can add some pepper too. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You can add it as much as you want, and then grate some of the rind over and add some of the juice too. So I've popped over a couple of shakes of salt, drizzled over a couple of tablespoons of our beautiful olive oil, and now I've grated the rind off my lemon, and I'm going to add that into the salad, and I've got a little strainer to strain some of the juice over. I'm probably going to use half of the lemon for that. And the last little bits of juice going through that I squeezed over. Look how yum that looks. And now it's just a matter of tossing it all through. And it's done. Look, all of the ingredients are mixed through together. It's a pretty simple salad, but when you put everything together, it tastes amazing. So that is the video for today. Thanks so much for watching the video for this low carb Parmesan salad. I hope you'll give the recipe a try and enjoy it. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and check down below for the link to the blog post with a full recipe that you can pin, bookmark, and save. I'm going to go and have this yummy salad for lunch, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.